Sound effects that will instantly level up your content. 1. Camera shutter. Perfect for transitions when showing before and after shots of a room or a property. This makes the reveal snappy and intentional. Number 2. Whoosh. Great for switching between property angles. Feels modern and keeps energy up. Number 3. Riser. Use this to build excitement, highlight big reveals, or make important moments stand out. 4. Click. Perfect when turning on lights, opening doors, or showing home features. It reinforces the aha moment both visually and audibly. Number 5. Blade slide. Use this for a dramatic shift to make your content feel more dynamic and alive. Follow for more real estate marketing tips to make your content stand out.